Well, good morning, everybody. How are you doing on this lovely Northern California rainy day? Hallelujah. This video, I just want to show you my pictures that I've taken over the past few years. And I did get one of those glass paperweight domes, and I caught some interesting things, especially when playing with the filter on my camera. But this is something from an all-sky cam. You can barely see it up here, September 13th, 2016. Okay, I'm talking about this object. I must have it on pause. So I backtrack it. Now watch. It just kind of shows up there. So I decided to do some photo forensics on that. Okay, the east, the west. So I'm not sure even what to say about this. But again, when I first saw it, I can't find the footage, darn it. It came from the ground, it was pink, it shot up into the sky. And this thing, this pink thing, okay, unfolded like a blanket right here, and then it kind of like let loose, and then another part flew off into that direction, and then this came over here. So it looks like some sort of platform right there. So anyways, let's get into the picture part of my show. This picture, I have it timestamped November 9th, 2018, 3:36 and 10 seconds p.m. I have what's called an open camera on my smartphone because I don't like the regular camera. So the open camera gives me all kinds of different filters. So what you're looking at is the sun, but there is something seriously wrong. Okay, oops. Okay. It's not round. Hold on. Okay. The red represents obviously the heat. This is infrared. The black represents the sun. One side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like hexagonal. Okay, now let's enlarge it. I don't know why I can't do that. There we go. As you can see, this is not a normal shape of the sun. Next. Next. Same one. Now let me enlarge this one. So I'm going to show you something here. Okay. Over here. Look at this. Totally looks mechanical. Okay. Look at the rest of the picture. Can't even blame it on pixels. There's no pixels here. So you really can't go blaming saying that these are all pixels. I'm going to enlarge it even more. Okay. You can see it is clearly made of a bunch of mechanical parts. One more time. Let's enlarge it all the way. There. Okay. But as you can see, clearly, this is not a round-shaped sun. It's got a point. Alright, you can see it here. Okay, next picture. Up. Here's the one with the glass dome. Now, I'm not sure if I caught anything, but I'm going to enlarge it. Okay, we're going to, oops. Well, excuse me for not knowing how to work this damn thing. There we go. Now, I don't know up here. I mean, it looks like structures. Okay. Let me get that out of the way. Should go away. There we go. See, now up here it looks like structures. Alright. Okay. Next one. Oh! That's a dream catcher I made. Sorry. Right. No need to enlarge these really, because I didn't capture anything on these. Anything out of the ordinary. The only thing here I captured that I think are these two white lines right here. Maybe possibly being a track. Don't know. And another one. Same one. This is interesting. This is actually a chemtrail that I had set on negative. I had it on a negative setting. You can see November 20th, 2018, 12:01 p.m. Now what I want to show you here, oops, I'm going to enlarge this. Now, I'm going to show you, okay, there, criminy. Okay, so this is what a chemtrail looks like when you use a negative film. Trying to enlarge this. So you can see this shape. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see this shape right here? Alright. So, I found this interesting. Big thick chemtrail. Wanted to see if I can see what was inside of it. You see something here. And you can also faintly see another craft right here. You see this? Okay, so that's right next to this chemtrail. Wow. So, being a negative, obvious. There you go, you can kind of see that. Looks like a two-legged octopus. Okay, next. Not mine. Now, this one's even trippier. Look down here in this corner, okay? This one, 11/20/2018, 12:01, 33 seconds. So that was only 1 second later from this one. So right here is the partial chemtrail. You can even see the chemtrail line. But what's this? And you can see the chemtrail going through here. So it's not a camera problem. It's not a camera problem. But as you can see, this, let's see if I can draw it. Great with music. Anyways, okay. I just want to show you that. So here's the chemtrail. 1 second later, hold on. So if you can explain what this is to me, you have something up here. Again, this is a negative form. This is the, look. I'll show you. That's the same chemtrail that I showed you guys. But then, this white line, or wide white line, if you can see it. Oh, there you go. Right here, right here. All this white space. Strange. And whatever this is strange. Nothing like trying to make a video when you got somebody on the phone in the background. Sorry about that. This is the one I wanted to show you. Okay, this, oops, you saw that one already. This, wait a minute. No, these are old pictures. Sorry. So this is the one with the dome. Okay? And I changed the filters around. Now I want to show you something. That. Right there. Oh my god, I'm recording this. I'm so sorry. I'll try to edit that out. I thought I turned off the recorder. I was just playing around. So, let's enlarge this again. And take a look. Look at everything going on up there. Alright, you have this square. You have all these little round objects right next to the sun, or whatever it is, the fake sun. Alright, but I did want to point this out, and I don't think I have any more. Let's see if I rotate it. Let's see what happens that way. Nothing. Weird, huh? Alright, well, I'll try to edit everything out